Stand up. Make it happen, Brittany.
Buckets.
I'm cool with that, man.
That's all right. Step to the side, please. Step to the side, please. Thank you.
Make a hole, make a hole.
Please.
Make a hole, make a hole.
All right.
Was phenomenal. He rebounded, scored. He was aggressive. We went into him on the post. Bogut in there now.
You gotta cut that out.
Serious now?
Let's be serious. Come on, 3 questions in the end.
But when you got a guy like that who's really been through everything, it kind of hits home a little bit more. And so it was great.
Bill, Steph, greatest basketball. Greatest basketball.
Wants to throw us out there and what grouping, so you just gotta be ready and consider